me, Amal Hermuz from Spain, Vivian Hair Design. I have here with me my model,
Wiebo from Holland.
from Holland, and today we're gonna show you how to cut hairstyle of George Clooney. Yes?
Yes, it's very nice.
Very nice. So we're gonna show you now. I will turn a little bit like this.
Okay.
See, as you see, I have put, I part the hair in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we're gonna start from here. I'm gonna show you how to work with the razor. This is a razor, yes. So we're gonna start to work from here. So as you see, we will have little bit bubbles here, like that. So keep the hair as long as you can, just not to show that here. See, we take the hair from here. We start to razor the hair. We leave little bit long hair here. Very nice, beautiful haircut, easy and simple, and not too short. You see? Very nice, lovely hairstyle. See? Working with a razor, very nice. It's nice, fine hair, and when it is very fine hair, when you work with the razor, it feels like you have more hair. It gives more volume and movement in the hair. This is the first line we did already. As you see, nice and beautiful. Now we go to the second part. Take some hair and keep it like that. So we take this ones, the same, yeah. What we're gonna do now, we will leave this little bit long. So we take the hair and razor the hair, close it with the second line. Nice, lovely, shiny hair. We just wash the hair and beautiful, nice, with lovely cream in the hair. See, take the line and just close it together. This was second line, the third line here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna close it together. And the only thing I need to cut, just very nice, soft, beautiful haircut. Yes, and now we go here to the side. As you see, the side is a little bit long. We will make it 3 ears. So we're gonna close these two lines together. Just nice, easy. Beautiful, nice line. To make it perfect, we're gonna use our normal scissor. See, 3 ears. And clean here with the normal scissor. To clean it better, we take usually a small, nice machine. Try to leave it as much we can. Beautiful, nice, lovely style. He can wear it like that or like down. Very nice, lovely. Yes. Now we're gonna go and cut another side of the hair. And the same way with the razor. Beautiful, nice, easy and simple. And now we're gonna try to clean it again. Beautiful, nice, lovely style. Make it 3 ears. Yes. Now we're going to clean this part. We're going to clean this part. This, as you see, this hair grows very fast, just a little bit shorter. And and we're gonna try to clean here. So lovely, nice, beautiful style, very attractive. Very nice, lovely, fine hair. See, just a little bit shorter here because the hair grows very fast. Beautiful and nice. Yes, this is the side and the part. Yes, we're gonna go to the last part, and this one we're gonna try to make it as short as we can, but we're gonna wear it this side. So we're gonna go from here. Nice and beautiful, lovely style. We close this side together. So we take some off here, close it together, nice and easy. Turn here and take it from here. Little bit from here, close it together. So we close these two lines together. Beautiful, nice. And now we're gonna close the fringe for the side. See, beautiful, nice, lovely haircut. Yes, gonna control the lines. So close these two lines together. Beautiful. Turn down, yes, slime. Perfect, see. This is the line we had, and beautiful, nice. Yes, we're gonna draw a little bit the hair. You got it?
Very good. Yes. Definitely. Well.
Beautiful style. This just a little bit more shorter, beautiful, nice. And another side the same. After finishing that, the only thing we need to do is just take your scissor to clean the lines. Perfect line. Just clean these two lines together. Vind je het leuk? Mooi hè?
Very nice.
Yeah. See, having a nice haircut. Closing these lines together. Very nice, lovely haircut, easy and simple to wear. George Clooney.
Yes, George Clooney with his sensei awards. What do you want?
Yes, yes.
Espresso, is it?
Yeah. Expensive, yeah. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Last finishing touch, we're gonna just control the last line. Then we're gonna put some little bit hair lacquer or spray in the hair, and this last finishing touch. Perfect. Yes. So I'm gonna put some gel or spray.
Doesn't matter,
Yeah.
just what you like.
It's like George Clooney spray. Beautiful, nice, very lovely, attractive style, easy and simple, not too short, nice and lovely. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is how is the result. You see, lovely and nice. So do you like it?
Perfect, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to be with
It's
us. This is our style from the Vienna,
very well.
Spain. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.